Mandela is a nonprofit organization that works to improve health, create wealth, and build assets through local food enterprise in limited resource communities.
I grow a lot of stuff: lettuce, cabbage, celery, carrots, beans, corn.
We are serving farm fresh food for the soul. So that is Southern-inspired food with a California twist here in West Oakland on 7th Street.
El puesto es de vegetales y frutas. Tenemos naranjas, manzanas, duraznos, coliflor, calabacitas.
The catalyst of our work was really that folks in West Oakland, which is where our work started, were pretty sick of hearing about why they were unhealthy or why they didn't have access to food. How do we increase access to healthy food options? And so the way that matriculated was farmers market. The other way was that there are already a lot of places where we could be putting food. And what came out of that was the idea of working with corner stores. We have, I think, 9 corner stores throughout East and West Oakland. And the intention of that program is to create an environment of health within a space that maybe traditionally is not seen as so. The program around the farmers market became our community produce stands. So we have about 10 stands. We source all that produce locally and then sell that produce at an affordable rate. That's a way to ensure that residents have healthy, fresh food available to them where they're already at. Access was not going to be enough. It also required education. So at the corner store, for example, we sell tomatoes, onions. We might make like a salsa, and then we'll also use something that the store sells. So it's a way of cross-merchandising for the store and also a way to get folks to know, like, what do I do with this stuff once I buy it? And then all of that comes with additional information around how that actually affects your health.
Desde que empecé yo a trabajar con Mandela, he cocinado más saludable. Mi familia está beneficiándose de lo que es todas las frutas y los vegetales, porque anteriormente casi ellos no comían fruta y ahora ya comen más y en variedad.
Food-based business development was part of the Mandela model from its inception because that was what residents saw as a key lever to really building the health and wealth aspect together. It also actually was a reason why this idea of supporting local minority-owned farmers came.
They used to come over the market, get some stuff, and they pay me right away. But now it's much better. They pay me in advance. They write me a check every year at the beginning, so I pay them back with the produce. And that helps a lot.
The idea of partnering with Zala's Soulful Kitchen really came out of this need of having more healthy food options and healthy food options that were culturally relevant.
Since I've been working with Mandela, I have been able to expand. I don't think that I would be able to have expanded the way in which I have been able to, right? Just having a space that's fully equipped, that's in the community, offering access to healthy food. I hire people who live in the community, and so it pushes me.
As we have more food access programs, we're able to buy more food from farmers. We're also able to make more food available to community residents. As a business grows, they're also buying more from our farmers. So it's all these things, even when they're working separately, because they're part of this ecosystem, are all lifting each other up at the same time.
I feel proud to know where my produce is going, especially to the community.
Everybody's doing something very similar. We're moving towards a similar goal. We're all in this together.